Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are starting a new anime called Jack of All Trades Party of None, and this is my episode 1 recap and review. So this anime is about a guy who can do a little bit of everything, but instead of being praised he actually gets kicked out of his party. So yeah, let's get into it. So episode 1 starts with the main character Aaron, who used to be a part of Hero's party. We see him alone inside a dungeon, casually killing monsters and saying that he's still strong and not as weak as people think. And when goblins show up, Aaron uses enhancement support magic on himself, which boosts his strength. The anime explains that the skill is really powerful but only lasts for 3 minutes, so he has to time it properly. Even with this limit, Aaron easily takes down the goblins, showing he actually knows what he's doing. Then we get a flashback, and honestly, this part hurts the most. Aaron is kicked out of the hero's party by their leader Oliver, who tells him that he's weak and holding the team back. And the worst is that Aaron had to build the party for 8 years, reaching S rank and even clearing the 94th floor Great Dungeon. He even changed his role from swordsman to the support mage for the team, but no one of them matters to them. In the end, they straight away say that he's someone who tries to do everything but isn't good at anything. So back in the present, Aaron decides that he'll keep moving and figuring out his own way of fighting. And while exploring the dungeon, he runs into a group of adventurers who abandoned a girl to save themselves. This makes Aaron very angry, and when the leader tries to fight with Aaron, Aaron takes him down very easily. And soon after, Aaron saves the girl from a group of strong ghost monsters using both his sword skills and support magic together. And honestly, this fight really shows how strong actually Aaron is. The girl introduces herself as Sophia and thanks Aaron by inviting him to the dinner, and that's when we meet her sister Selma, the leader of Silver Knights, Sky Rabbits, and one of the strongest support mages in the world. Selma already knows Aaron and respects him, and she's shocked to hear that he was kicked out of the hero's party. And she asks Aaron to help her with the training expedition, and after some thinking, he says yes, and but only as a swordsman, not as a sport mage. So overall episode 1 was pretty solid. It was not super flashy, but it feels really emotional and relatable. Aaron isn't weak, he was just never appreciated. The pacing is a bit slow, but it works for setting up the story and the characters. If you like underdog stories and fantasy anime with a bit of depth. So yeah, that was my episode 1 recap and review of Jack of All Tales, Party of None. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. Do you think being a jack of all trades is really a weakness or it could be a hidden strength? I'll see you in the next